this video, I will be showing you how you could follow yourself in Scratch. So let's start. So here is just a demo account I want to follow using this same account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign into my other account. So if you don't have another account, you can just create one quickly. So right now I'm just going to sign in. And once you've signed in, just open a new tab and then just open Scratch. And after that, you want to sign in to this account right over here. So go back to the second tab and then just sign in. And once you've signed into the required account, just go back to the first tab and then click follow right over here. And now just close this first tab, and then once you go to the profile, you can see that you are now following yourself. And that's basically how you can follow yourself in Scratch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.